Hello students, let's begin with a new chapter of geography, that is chapter number 6, major landforms of the earth. In the introduction video you had understood about the landforms, the solid surface of the earth. So let us begin, that is mountains. Yes, you can see this solid surface which has been built high, tall, right. This surface is called as mountains. They are very tall and usually people are very much attracted for going on trips, especially for trekkings to the mountains. A mountain is any natural elevation of the earth's surface. Now let us study further about mountains. Here, as you can see, here they are the mountains, right? But they are covered with ice, or you can say snow, and the slope you can see over here, this is a river which has been frozen. Okay, such is called as glaciers. They are permanently frozen rivers of ice and that are called as glaciers. You can find this glaciers especially in the northern part, in the northern hemisphere. Mountain ranges. Now you can see these mountains lined up. Yes, these mountains are lined up and that is called as ranges. When you see the mountains joined together in a line, such is called as mountain ranges. As we look from far, we can see that they are joined up. Okay, but many a times there is a vast difference between these two mountains. It's very easy to see that you can jump from here and here easily, but no, there's a vast difference. You need to travel long to reach to the other mountain. So this thing is called as mountain ranges. Now let us understand about the other mountains. There are three types of mountains. One is the fold mountain, which you are looking here. The other one is block mountain and the volcanic mountain. Let us understand how the fold mountains have been done. You can see here, see the beautiful prints of the mountains. These are the fold mountains. Now how are they formed? When two or more of Earth's tectonic plates are pushed together, they help us to make fold mountains. It means you can see this part and this part. When due to tectonic plates are pushed, now when these two pushes together, okay, see, did you see how it joined, right? Same way the compression happens here, and when the compression happens over here, at that time this part goes up and the fold mountains have been formed. So this was fold mountain. Now this is block mountain. Now when this block mountains are, it means that when they block something. But how does it happen? Let us see about it. Now when this thing is been covered, now the mountains are there, already there, correct? But when you get a gap between it, okay, at that particular time this thing is been pushed and this thing is helped as, or you can say that it is called as block mountain. Volcanic mountain, the famous mountain, and everybody knows about it. Lava, everybody is interested in knowing lava. Volcanic mountains are, you also know that they have live fire. Mount Fuji in Japan is a example of live mountain of volcano. Also Kilimanjaro, Mount Kilimanjaro. Okay, so how is this thing happen? Let us understand that. So now this is a picture how the lava erupts, and when the lava erupts, ash cloud has been formed. From this way, like a fountain, central vent, it is this part is called as central vent. when this part is where in the middle where something, this part goes out, or you can say it reaches to the edges of the mountain, and the old layer of lava is this part. Means when earlier time the volcanic eruption happened, at that particular time the freezed is been formed here, slowly again here and again here, and then again when the lava becomes active at that particular time, it blasts out and throws the ash clouds outside. This also gives us many rocks, different types of rocks. When these ash clouds go out, at that time when the surface of hot lava, when it reaches to the ground again, at that time you get rocks. When those rocks have been formed, different rocks has, and it has also many fertile elements in it. This is plateau, a plain surface but on top. A plateau is an elevated flat land. Deccan Plateau in India is one of the oldest plateaus. The Tibetan Plateau is the highest plateau in the world. The African Plateau is famous for gold and diamond mining. So now in these plateaus also you do find diamonds and gold as well. People do mining over there. The lava plateaus. It's not only that we have lava volcano mountains, but we do have lava plateaus also, are rich in black soil that are fertile and good for cultivation. Now this is plains, a flat surface where you can see lots of greenery. Plains are large stretches of flat land. Most of the plains are formed by rivers and their tributaries. So suppose when the water is dried up, there a land has been formed. Or you can see if the soil is fertile over there, it can grow to a grasses as well. In India, the Indo-Gangetic plains are the most densely populated region of the country. Now you can see many people over here, right? Why? Because it's a solid surface and we can live on mountains, we can live on plains, we can live everywhere. People, nowadays there are scientific centers at Antarctica. So we can see the people living over here. They have cultivated themselves, or they have understood that they are supposed to live here only, and that is why they have found different ways to live. Human habitation is found on different kinds of landforms, whether it is plains, whether it is hilly regions or mountainous regions, ice, greenery, grasslands, or whether it is a plateau. As the population varies and these landforms, mountains are generally not thickly populated. So whenever you go to the mountainous area, at that time you will find very less population. The mostly tourist population is found in mountainous region, because people living in a very populated place, they like to go on a vacation to a places where they can find peace. But plains are the regions where the thick population is found. That you can see plains where the people have been found more. I hope you have understood about this chapter. Flora, fauna, horse, cabin, all this as well as the landforms are the part of our daily lives, where we have to adjust ourselves on the each landform, whether it is mountainous region or whether it is plains. Thank you.